हाय एवरीवन, लॉन्ग टाइम नो सी। आ गई मैं पॉजिटिविटी फैलाने। आई क्राइड टुडे। वाई? आई वाज लाइक मेरी उम्र हो गई, मुझे नहीं पढ़ना, बहुत हो गया, मुझे नहीं पढ़ना। एट दैट सेम पॉइंट it's striked in my brain that if I stop learning, I'll stop growing. If I stop growing, I'll be stunted. I don't want to be Sam baby when it comes to brain. I want to be a healthy baby when it comes to brain and knowledge. Um, I really maintain this fact that competition is sucking the joy out of everything. And अगर आप ध्यान से सोचो तो this is for a reason. For everything there is competition. NEET UG, NEET PG, CA, BA. I don't know many branches. I'm sorry. Apart from MBBS, I don't know much. So for everything you need to compete. This competition, it creates that invisible divide. They are dividing. Like अब ब्रेन इज़ लाइक अगर उसकी सीट लग गई तो मेरी नहीं लगेगी, तो सबको अपने अपने सीट की पड़ी है, राइट? बट रुको, दिस कम्स फ्रॉम अ प्लेस ऑफ स्केरसिटी कि उसका नहीं हुआ तो उसका हो गया तो मेरा नहीं होगा. Scarcity. But the scarcity is pretty logical because the number of seats are limited, right? And I really don't like competition at all. So whenever I'm giving GT, earlier I used to focus on my marks while I was preparing for FMG. Now I'm focusing on percentile. And like, oh, इतना और आगे जाना है, इतना और ये करना है. And I don't like this, why? Because I was so happy in the beginning. I'm happy still. I just don't want to compete. भाई मुझे मज़ा आ रहा है पढ़ने में, मुझे बस पढ़ने दो. So yeah, ठीक है, पढ़ तो रही हूँ मैं, मतलब रो धो के भी पढ़ लेती हूँ मैं. It's good. But I think everyone is one. We are one. The consciousness is one. So we should cooperate. And may the one who deserves gets. That's it. पढ़ाई वैसे मेरी अच्छी हो रही है. So the first GT that I gave, I scored 89. उससे भी पहले I scored 78, I would say, but I'm not counting that GT. Yeah. So the GT that I seriously gave, I got 89. That was my baseline. From that I moved to 90s, then 100s, then 110, 120, 125 पे I'm stable right now. I'm talking about INICT. 200 questions होते हैं. So रुको यार, and tingling sensation on my leg. B12 की कमी, I guess. I don't even know what to say. I just want to talk. So there's this thing, एग्ज़ाम आने से पहले मैं बस फुर गायब हो जाती हूँ. कुछ भी इम्पोर्टेंट करना है लाइफ में, I just vanish from everywhere. Yeah, I don't want to vanish anymore. I don't want to be Wucheria, Bancrofty. I want to be Loa. I want to be so much more nuclei. I want to be happy, and I want everyone to be happy. Everyone, each one of us deserves peace and happiness and gratitude. We are so lucky. जब genetics पढ़ती हूँ, biochemistry, there are so many inborn errors. I'm like, how is it that people are normal? Because there are just so many steps, and कहीं पे भी कुछ भी हो सकता है, कुछ नहीं हुआ. Wow, like such a blessing. That really is such a blessing. So this joy, I really want to be happy when I study. I don't want to think about percentile. I don't know, I just want to study, and I don't even want to think from the point of view of MCQs. I just want to study for knowledge. Yeah, एक महीना बचा है, and I still have to study medicine. That's something that I just am, FMG में नहीं किया. That's the one subject I left, and it just fear. This is a lot of fear. So I'm saying, if you're preparing for FMG or if you're preparing for even your profs, just don't skip medicine. I think no one is stupid enough to skip medicine apart from me. But क्वेश्चन सॉल्व हो जाते हैं, उतने नहीं सॉल्व हो पाते. I'm doing good. I have fallen in love with so many subjects भाई. फार्मा के साथ मैंने मोहब्बत करने की बहुत कोशिश की, लेकिन वो हो नहीं रहा. I'm trying really hard, but pharma is like talak भाई यार. So yeah, I just wanna love pharma, but pharma is not allowing me to love itself. And yeah, best of luck guys, best of luck. बस मुझे बस बोलना था. काफ़ी दिन हो गए मैंने किसी से बात नहीं की है, एंड आई एम अ वेरी सोशल ह्यूमन बीइंग. जब भी एग्ज़ाम आती है, जब भी कुछ बड़ा होता है, जस्ट वैनिश. आई डोंट वांट टू बी वुडशेयर या बैनक्रॉफ्टी. I want to be Loa. I want to be lots of nucleus. I want to be active. I don't want to be heterochromatin. I want to be euchromatin. Okay. And yeah, I don't want to be single stranded anymore. I want to be double stranded. And yeah, that's it. Bye. Best of luck. अच्छा लगा बात करके. Bye.